Hi all, welcome back to your channel. So I am back at Anfield because I think Pink may have arrived. Some wagons down here in the car park that are empty. Yeah, so let's get over the stand and have a look.
Max altitude reached.
Yeah, there's all cranes and stuff in there, so let's have a good look. Now I'm not sure if Pink's setup. I haven't had a look online yet to see what his setup would be, so I will put a picture on the screen now if I can find it. I'm not sure she's going to have a catwalk in. So today's the 20th, Thursday the 20th. Pink arrives on Monday the 24th. So let's have a look at this stage. Doesn't look as complex as Taylor Swift, does it? Just, people are going to start walking past me. It's going to get off the path. Because you all know what I like when people are walking past me. I like to go quiet. Right, let's have a look here. Doesn't seem to be anyone working on it. That means the remote. Still getting used to the new remote control on my drone. Yeah, there's no one there working. I just want to give a mention to Kenny. Kenny stopped me in the park before. I've known Kenny for a long time. When I used to run football teams, Kenny's lad used to play for one of my teams, and I haven't seen him for a while. And we had a little chat in the park, so thanks for stopping and talking, Kenny. He mentioned me YouTube, that he sees me all the time on YouTube, so yeah, nice one, mate. Appreciate it. Why is no one working? Like literally. Let's go car park area. I can't see anyone moving anywhere. Is it just me? Quick time check. It is 1:15. So it's around lunchtime, but you'd think people will still be working. It's a bit like the Annie Road stand getting built, isn't it? What I did like, someone did make a funny comment though, well a few did, that Taylor Swift's team should have built the Annie Road stand with the speed that they got the stage up. I did find that amusing. By the time you watch this video, well, if you haven't seen a BBC documentary called Undercover School, Cruelty in the Classroom, it's based on a special school in the Wirral that I have been and recorded around today. I spoke to the owner of the building that the school is being used as. Yeah, it's quite an interesting video, so I'll link that at the end of this video. If you haven't seen the documentary, watch it on the BBC iPlayer. It's set in the Wirral. Well, it's not set in the Wirral, it is in the Wirral. It's not fiction, it's fact. Yeah, and how them kids are treated was shocking. So I've been over and made a little video about it, and I got told people saw the smashed up minibus that's used in a programme that was getting towed away. Yeah, so If you haven't seen it yet, it'll be on before this. So when you watch this, go and give it a watch. Thank you. You know, right, okay, right. I think I know what's going on here. So that stage, there's not really anything else there to be assembled on the stages. There's just bits and bobs lying around on the floor. There's wagons in the car park lying empty. So they're waiting for more materials to arrive, aren't they? That's the problem. That's why there's no work going on. So it looks like Pink stage at a standstill. I wonder if that's going to put anything behind. Because Taylor Swift, that was slick, the way they done that. And getting it down was even slicker, if I'm being honest. They done really well. So hopefully there'll be the same again for Pink that there was for Taylor Swift in Stanley Park. Yeah, let's have a look at this little compound area over here. I don't think them tents were there last time, were they, for Taylor Swift? Anything else to see on the outside? Coming on the side of the main stand, got a wasp right by me, shit myself. Okay, there's portaloos and fencing and stuff in there. Okay. Right, I think we're at a standstill because more wagons need to arrive. That's what I'm assuming. So I hope Monday and Tuesday, Stanley Park's full again. All this be full of people, hopefully. The merch, I wonder if they'll put the merch in the same place where Taylor Swift went. Yeah, hopefully this will all be full. And if anyone's got any tickets and can't go, I'll buy them off you. I want to see Pink. I've never seen her before live, and I don't mind the music, and I think she's entertaining as well. So yeah, any tickets, let me know. Have one last look around here. Yeah. Right, I'll be back tomorrow to see if there's any change and if anyone's turned up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Helps my channel grow, as does a thumbs up. It gets the reach out there, and it might reach people that have never seen my channel before, and they might subscribe. So that's why I asked for you to like the video and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, I reply to 99.9% of the comments. Okay, right, thanks for watching, guys. Speak to us soon. Take care. Bye now.